Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you two different designs for backplate of EPS mold. We are using these two different designs for making the EPS box mold has both lid and box in the same mold. As you can see, we are concave a piece in the backplate. By doing this, not only we can use the same length of EPS filling gun, in addition, because the steam chamber is reduced, so it can save the steam for the lid. Now let me show you another design. This one with additional paddled bottom layers under the lid cavity, also for the purpose of using the same size EPS filling gun. We will choose the most suitable one according to the different mold design. For more information about EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. See you next video.